This is something that I would never do. So old mate's at my place, and he's going to bring in the inner guard so the stops the tyre rub. Now, what is that? What you would call it? The inner guard?
Yeah, the fender guard. It's pretty much the adjustments. It's clockwise to push it in, and when you want to bring it out to adjust it, anti-clockwise. And you got this pin up here to adjust this to make sure, and then you get the right length.
So you're gonna have to roll a couple of times, are you?
Yeah, do a couple of different adjustments. Need one of these heater gun, $30 from Super Cheap. Got to heat up the paint, otherwise it's going to crack along the edge, and you won't be happy with that, that's for sure. Just do one section at a time, otherwise it's going to go cold on you.
Just kind of like go by feel, like you get an idea of just warm it up or make it hot or what?
Yeah, just warm will do. Hot, you risk actually burning and bubbling the paint itself.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to get the jack under this, push it up a little bit, get some leverage behind it. Obviously, don't put your jack straight on the.
No, you wouldn't go underneath that anyway. Just go underneath this. Just go underneath this point here.
Yeah.
Don't damage the rotor.
Show that they go into the rotor, but just gonna do a little bit of a lift.
Tell me when.
Yeah, keep going. There we go. That'll do. And you just give it a gentle roll.
That's what she said.
Move along.
Yeah.
Pump that up a little bit, please.
Tell me when.
Keep going. One more. Yeah. Give it another bit of heat. Just to be extra cautious. I have seen people with this all cracked and it comes right up here and it chips right along here.
Yeah, that'll suck. That's why I wouldn't do this anyway. Difference between me and old mate. I lift cars and put bigger wheels on. Bigger tires. Where he goes lowers the cars and gets bigger rims.
Yours is for convenience, mine's for looks.
Mine's practical use. I can go up and down gutters. I can even park up against the gutter and the back end won't touch. I don't have to go sideways up driveways.
You want to go up again?
Up, or do you want to readjust?
Yeah, go up again.
Okay.
if you have a look up in here, you'll see what I'm doing. It's a slow process, but it is folding it. Now I could do this quicker, but you risk damaging that edge. Unfortunately, you can't stop it all fully, but it's cracked there just a little bit.
Yeah. You could be constantly out of heating and moving that thing. I noticed whoever painted that caliper painted it while it was still on the car.
Yes. So frustrating. I'm going to bring that down a little bit.
Yep.
And do a readjustment for this area.
You want to heat that up first?
Yeah. True that. Getting ahead of myself.
Yep.
Exactly what I was saying not to do. It's easy to do.
How easy it is to change the shock absorbers in this. Look at that. Makes this right there. Can you go down a little bit, or?
Unfortunately, I just found a
Rust
little
spot.
bit of a rust spot that they've just painted over.
I think you need to get down a little bit.
Up now. That part, that's a part of the body. I won't get past that. Get up. Get up.
Oh.
Get up. There you go.
Just it suck doing it by yourself, having to control the jack and do that.
Once you've already got it mostly folded, you don't have to worry anymore because it's already past that point of cracking. Pull it down a bit, I'll readjust it. Now, because it's mostly folded up, like 3/4 or 2/3 of the way, I have to bring this more so it's more flat. Like that. Bring that up. Get it all nice and tight, just how she likes it. Pump her up a little bit. Yeah. One more adjustment. There we go. Now jack her up a bit again. Yep. Two more pumps. Now if you want to have a look, that is done.
Righto, so this side's the same. There's a bit of rust in the area there, so the paint's cracked. So that's the lack of treating it before painting it, because the car's only had a paint job a couple of years ago. It's, you know, still a nice looking paint job, but it just wasn't, the bad areas weren't treated enough. And also with adjusting it, we found that bringing it over a pin gave the arm more adjustment, so we had more leverage with what we're doing, where before on the other side it was limited. So just be mindful of that to make the adjustment there. Anyway, that's that. So for anyone that's interested, what's that thing called?
A fender guard roller.
Fender guard roller. There you go. So next time, guys, cheers.